Hi, I'm Jane. Today I'm working on the trellises behind me. I'm going to pull the peas out and put squash and cucumbers in there. So it's pretty hot. I'm just in and out during the hot parts, and then when it starts to cool down, I'm going to get at it really well. Let me show you what I've done so far. I put squash and cucumbers on that trellis. So let's turn this around. So I'm working over here, and I just barely put winter sown squash in. I've got to get this bindweed off of this trellis. I just pulled the peas. Here's another winter sowing pot that I'm going to have climb up this trellis. Here's the other trellis. This is a winter sown squash of some sort. I'm going to mulch that like mad and take out these little tiny pea plants. So I'm taking these winter sown cucumbers and I'm going to put them on the trellises behind me. Okay, I'm going to divide that up between these sections right here and inside the trellis. I wanted to show you this. Doesn't that look awesome? So I'm just going to stick it on this trellis. Just as simple as that, and then I'm going to mound up some dirt around it. I'm going to try to get this bindweed off the wall there. Okay, one trellis done. Now I'm going to go over there and work on that trellis. Hollyhocks are so ugly this year in my yard. I think the hollyhock weevil, it's not even blooming right. I think I'm just going to take the whole thing down. But over here, on this trellis, let's take after that. We'll take that down and put some more squash, whatever I have left in the back. Peas are not hard to take out, because they have little tendrils that grab onto everything. Like I said in the other video, you can either pull or cut. Cutting's almost better because it's a nitrogen fixing nodules at the bottom of those roots. But that's ready for a squash or a cucumber. And my rabbits will be very happy to have these. Alright, that trellis is ready. Let's go in the backyard and see what winter sown vegetable I want to put on that. Okay, I just got some rabbit bedding, and then I have a few options here. This one's kind of crowded, so I could take a couple of those. This one's way crowded. Let's take these. I'll take this pot of winter sown. See, I just planted some more winter sowing there. And this one's climbing. This one over here is climbing. And then over here, some in the ground. Some are climbing over there. Okay, I'm going to go take this to the front trellis. I think I'm going to move this tomato pot over. These are olapolkas. I love these things. They're so yummy. I'm going to move it right there. Hopefully I didn't just make you dizzy. And then that way, these can climb this trellis. That was last year's tag. Alright, see if I can get this out. Let me get it out without the camera, and then I'm going to put them along that. And then I will cover it with rabbit bedding, and then I'll go grab some more wood chips for the very top. Okay, I just got it out of the terracotta pot, and now, without disturbing it too much, I'm going to try to take some clumps and put it along this trellis. Yeah, they're close together, but it'll be okay. Can you see what I'm doing at all, or am I even in the shot, hopefully? Okay, really pretty soil. And now There's one down here that needs to be helped. And now I'm going to take this and dump this along the edge. Give it a boost. And then I'll go get the wood chips. Okay, I put the layer of rabbit bedding down and now a layer of wood chips. If you put wood chips right on the top, it will not rob the nitrogen like people are saying. What happens is if you mix it in, that's when it has the issues. But when it's right on top, it adds weed suppression and it helps you maintain the water. So I finally got the trellises flipped. I got that one, an ugly hollyhock, and the other right there. So now I'll be able to water this all in really well and hopefully get lots of cucumbers. Bye.